This section heading is called Testing Configuration. So now that we've got all nodes within the cluster configured for fully distributed operation, one way that we can test our configuration is to ensure that all of the daemons have started on the appropriate host. Now, before you actually start any of your daemons for the first time, you should format HDFS. So we're going to do that with the following command. So Hadoop name node and then -format. So now once again, you want to verify that you do not see any errors in the output. You also want to look for the message that lets you know that the task successfully completed. So now we'll proceed with running the script to start all of the daemons within the cluster. So now while this is running, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at two ways that we can actually verify that they in fact all started. So first, let's come back over to our topology and let's take a look and see what daemons we want to look for on each of the nodes. So on your master node, you're going to expect to find both of your master daemons. On the snapshot node, you're going to look for the secondary name node. And on both of your slave nodes, you're going to look for both of the slave daemons. So now the two ways that we're going to verify, one is going to be to run the JPS script, and the other is just going to be to run the stop all script. So first we'll run the JPS script. So JPS, we can see that both of the master daemons are running on the master node. So now we'll proceed to SSH over to one of the slave nodes. So SSH to support at slave 1, JPS. We can see both of the slave daemons have started. We'll terminate the session. Up arrow key, slave 2, JPS. We're good here. Up arrow key, and now over to snapshot. JPS. Alright, so all of the daemons have started, and we've verified that with the JPS command. Now we're going to see a much better way of kind of automating this command in future labs, but for now we're just illustrating this way. Okay, so when using the stop all script, it's going to let you know whether they actually started or not, based on kind of it's going to say, look, we're stopping this one, or there's nothing to stop, something along those lines. So what we're going to do right now is we're actually going to stop the secondary name node. We're going to hop back to the name node, we're going to run the script, and then we're just going to see the message that lets us know that a daemon wasn't running. Okay, so to stop the secondary name node, we're going to execute a script. So it's going to be Hadoop daemon.sh. We're going to stop the secondary name node. Terminate the session. And now from here, we're going to run that script. So notice within the output it's telling you stopping job tracker, so it doesn't give you the host because you're doing that from that host. And then over here when it's on a remote host you can see it. So slave 2 : stopping task tracker, and so forth right down the line. Now when one wasn't available to stop, it actually lets you know within the message here.